How to do grouping and ungrouping in Excel. Let's learn grouping and ungrouping in Excel with a basic example. You are looking at a simple restaurant menu with 3 columns: category, subcategory, and price. Now, when I click on the number 1 at the top left, you will see the subcategory and price get hidden, and only the category remains visible. This is called grouping in Excel. How to group rows in Excel. Once your data is ready. Step 1. Select the rows you want to group. Step 2. Go to the Data tab and click on Group. Step 3. Choose Rows and click OK. Now you will see a minus button on the left. Click it to collapse or hide the rows. Click the plus button to expand or reveal them again. You can also use the numbers 1 and 2 at the top left. Press 1 to hide all grouped rows. Press 2 to show them again. Repeat these steps for other categories as needed. Shortcut for grouping. There is also a shortcut for grouping. Once you select your data, press Alt, Shift, and the right arrow key together. This will group the selected rows immediately. You can also use this same shortcut for columns. After grouping, you will see a small box at the top. Click on it to expand or collapse the grouped columns. Important tip about category rows. One common mistake people make is not keeping an extra row to display the category. For example, if you delete rows like the 2nd, 8th, 16th, 22nd, or 28th row, then the data will not make any sense, because you will not know what you are grouping. Always make sure to leave one visible row to show the main category. This is very important, especially when you want to move to multi-level grouping. Multi-level grouping. Before we start multi-level grouping, take a look at the headers. The most important ones are region and item. I have taken one extra row for both the category and the subcategory. Let's start grouping. I have selected my data, and I am using the shortcut Alt, Shift, and the right arrow key to group. On the left side, you will see changes. After I finish grouping the main category, I will select other rows to display totals, such as apples total or oranges total. As soon as I group them, you will see outline numbers appear as 1, 2, and 3. Press 1 to view only the main category. Press 2 to show both main and subcategory. Press 3 to see all the data. You can repeat the same steps for other sections as well. How to ungroup in Excel. To ungroup the data, select your grouped rows. Go to the Data tab. Click Ungroup. Then choose Rows. There is also a shortcut for this. Press Alt, Shift, and the left arrow key together. I hope you learned something new today. Feel free to leave a comment if anything was missed, and stay tuned for more Excel tips.